Hello everyone, welcome back to Best Chat with me Manisha. Guess what I have for you today? Today I have another easy way of improving your English. Yes, today we are going to learn verb plus preposition combination, also known as collocation. This video will help you construct sentences easily and improve your English by and by. So let's get started. Just before we get started, don't forget to hit the bell icon and the subscriptions button. Hello everyone and welcome back once again. So today we are going to look at different verbs and their combination with prepositions like to, from, for, at and on. We are going to look at the verbs talk, agree, listen, along with the preposition to. Example, I want to talk to you. I agree to what you say. I listen to the news every morning. So we saw how this combination can make meaningful sentences. The next one is belong to. I belong to India means I am from India. The next one is happen to. I happen to meet my friend accidentally. Turn to. You can turn to me for help. Now let's look at some more examples. Lead to. This road will lead you to the highway, meaning this road will open on to the highway. Refer to. She always referred to Jack as that nice man, meaning she always mentions Jack as that nice man. React to. Ralph reacted means responded to the news quickly. Now let's look at some more examples. The next combination is verb and the preposition from. Escape from means to run from. You can't escape from the truth. Graduate from means to complete your course of study. He graduated from Oxford University. Hide from. The thief hid from the police. Now notice that hid is the second form of the main verb hide. Hence, this sentence is in the past tense. Let's look at some more examples. Protect from. How can we protect our earth from global warming? How can we protect our earth from global warming? The next one is retire from. She retired from her job early. She retired from her job early. Rescue from. The dog was rescued from the predator. The dog was rescued from the predator. Spent from. I spent the money from the piggy bank. I spent the money from the piggy bank. Distinct from. The two sisters look distinct from each other, meaning clearly different. Abstain from. You must abstain from breaking the rules, means you must avoid breaking the rules. So we saw how easy it is to combine verb and prepositions to form simple sentences. Now let's look at the next one. Verb and the preposition for. Wait for. Jeff was waiting for the bus for an hour. Jeff was waiting for the bus for an hour. Ask for. She asked me for some change. She asked me for some change. Blame for. Glenn blamed the car driver for the accident. Glenn blamed the car driver for the accident. Care for. Mother cares for her children. Mother cares for her children. Long for. Peacock longs for rain means waits for rain. Peacock longs for rain. Plead for. The employee pleaded for a hike in his salary. The employee pleaded for a hike in his salary, meaning the employee made an emotional appeal for a hike in his salary. Next, we have easy verbs to understand. Search for. He searched for his wallet everywhere. He searched for his wallet everywhere. Admire for. They admired the girl for her singing. They admired the girl for her singing means they appreciated the girl for her singing. Pay for. Frank paid for the treat. Frank paid for the treat. Isn't it easy to make sentences out of verb and preposition combination? Yes, it is. Let's look at some more examples. Prepare for. She prepared for her final exam. She prepared for her final exam. Work for. He worked for a rich and miser merchant. He worked for a rich and miser merchant. Apologize for. Sean apologized for his mistake. Sean apologized for his mistake. So you can add many more verbs like this to prepositions. Let's look at verb with the preposition at. Smile at. The child smiled at the mother. The child smiled at the mother. Stare at means to look at. It's rude to stare at others. It's rude to stare at others. Aim at means to look at a goal. He aimed at bigger goals. He aimed at bigger goals. Let's look at some more examples. Point at. The evidence pointed at Ryan to be the culprit. The evidence pointed at Ryan to be the culprit. Laugh at. The children laughed at the clown. The children laughed at the clown. Peer at, meaning look closely. Grandfather peered at me, trying to recognize me. Grandfather peered at me, trying to recognize me. Let's look at verbs with preposition on. Agree on. All the parties agreed on the plan to expand the business. All the parties agreed on the plan to expand the business. Comment on. Don't comment on my dress. Don't comment on my dress. Concentrate on. You must concentrate on your work. You must concentrate on your work. Here on implies upon. Agree upon, comment upon, or concentrate upon. Similarly, we have next examples. Depend on. We depend on trees for oxygen. We depend on trees for oxygen. Congratulate on. She congratulated Daryl on his promotion. She congratulated Daryl on his promotion. Rely on. I rely on my phone for living. I rely on my phone for living. So by now, I'm sure you have got the gist and knack of combining verbs along with the prepositions to form beautiful and meaningful sentences. Let's look at some more combinations of verb and prepositions. Respond to, invite to, object to, subscribe to, travel to, check for, fear for, find for, forgive for, hope for. You can add these to your vocabulary bank and start using it from now on. This is really going to improve your vocabulary. You can make note of some more phrases such as choose from, carve from, come from, derive from, emerge from, tell about, think about, warn about, worry about, write about. Here, about is a new preposition that I have added. You can combine many more prepositions like this to the verbs like composed of, conceive of, consist of, convict of, convince of, charge with, disagree with, discuss with, face with, fight with. So did you notice of and with? I have simply combined them with different verbs to form meaningful phrases. So I hope that you have liked this video, and if you have, hit that big fat like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. There's more coming up soon, so stay tuned. Bye for now and happy watching.